Hey there, so I'm guessing you're here because you aren't happy with the way your deck looks, right? It's basically seen better days. Well, I have some good news for you, as our products take your decks that look like this and make them look like this. There's nothing worse than having a bad, unmaintained deck, especially if you live in a beautiful country like Australia, as we have great weather most of the year and you can enjoy our decks. The problem is that to transform and restore your deck back to the way it looked when it was built is not always an easy task. The way I see it is that you have three choices. 1. Leave it as it is. If that was an option, you wouldn't be here watching this video. 2. Hire a company that does it for you, which will cost you anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 or sometimes even more. Or option 3, which is to restore it yourself. But doing it yourself used to mean that you had to be very handy with lots of different tools and knowledge, as it would require you to sand down your whole deck, which takes hours and hours or even days depending on the size of your deck. And that's a lot of work, and it also wears your deck down as you're literally shaving a few millimeters off it every time you do it. It also changes the shape of your deck boards, as they're shaped like this, rounded so that the water runs off it easily and drains away. But when you sand it down, it will start getting flat spots where water will be kept, which will start seeping into the wood and slowly start rotting it, which will ultimately lead to you having to build a completely new deck, which, as we all know, is very, very expensive. And I haven't even mentioned the fact that if your deck is not perfectly even, this will happen. Or if you have screws or nails that stick up, the same thing will happen. Well, as I mentioned earlier, here at Viccon Deck And Fence, we have the best solution. Our CEO has invented his own formulation of products that are produced right here in Australia, which makes this whole process a hell of a lot easier and faster. So, even if you have two left hands, like my mate Dennis, you'll be able to do it. So instead of having to sand down for full days your whole deck and then wash it and prepare for a new finish, you can do this much quicker and more time effectively. All you need to do is easily apply our products out on your deck like this and then wait up to 1 hour and wash off the old finishes with a jet wash. And also, this will rejuvenate the natural color of the wood and remove the natural tannins, which will make the new finish penetrate deeper into the grain for a longer lasting finish. Imagine that. Even if you have an uneven deck, which guess what? Almost all decks are. You can easily remove the old finish and prepare it for a lasting finish. Then we need to let the deck dry and apply a new fresh finish of your choice, which will make your deck look like new and loved again. And guess what? That's basically it. How simple does that sound? So, our product and process will not only keep you from having to sand down your entire deck, which is a giant pain and a lot of hard work, it saves your deck and your wallet too. All you have to do is identify what type of products have been used on your deck and buy the kit that suits your deck. There are basically two ways your deck is being treated, and that's either with traditional timber and deck oil products or just weather grade bare wood. And the second option is when water and solvent based products were previously applied. If you still don't believe this is possible, then I highly recommend you get a sample and try it for yourself before you buy a large kit. Below this video are links to the sample packs that cost only $19.99. And if you don't know what kit suits your deck needs, don't worry, as we have a third option to buy our sample kit where we'll send you 3 bottles of all of our products. Still feel confused how this will work? Not to worry. We'll send you a video how to apply the sample step by step and help you get the desired results. Also, you can contact our team for more information on 1300 406 190. Let's restore your deck the easy and smart way with Viccon's products.